Bro, this is beautiful, bro. How did you manage to get here? I had to dig myself out the jar. Get this, I'm gonna. Alright, so today we're training legs. It's leg day, it's snowing outside. It's cold, it's horrible. I'm gonna try to squat 180 kilograms. But you're gonna be watching this, so I've already done it.
These hoes couldn't test me, even if their name was Pop Quiz. Bad bitches who I fuck with, mad bitches we don't fuck with. I don't fuck with them chickens unless they last name is Cutlet. Let it soak in.
Alright guys. Let's go.
Okay, do you ever think I feel your pain? No way. Extraordinary specimen, live to the day I die. Smoke clouds help me float on by. I've been on my whole goddamn life. Even my mama couldn't tell me why. I'm such a sick motherfucker. Let me take a hit.
Come on. Alright, so basically guys, so right now, today was, I can't even speak bro, I feel I'm just talking to myself.
Friday's gonna be arms day.
Yeah. Alright, there you have it. Alright, so today is actually meant to be arms day. We're watching training legs, so we're hitting legs today. However, one thing is we never get snow here. It never ever snows. So it's pretty crazy. Yesterday I had to walk in the snow at 11 o'clock at night. It was dreadful. It was absolutely awful. But anyways, it's leg day. This guy is going in. Come on, bro. Oh. Let's go. Oh god.
Oh,
man.
you wanna go some, baby?
Yeah? Here we go, bro.
Oh,
Gonna go smoke. Come on, easy. Easy. Oh, wait. Oh, that's not quite 21, baby. Yo, bro, you tripping, dog. Oh, and with the roundhouse kick. Back. Oh, there goes the hammer, bro. Fuck. What's next? Tell the people, bro. What's next?
What we're gonna do, we're gonna go outside,
and we're gonna lunge to the car, bro.
Alright, we're gonna go outside, yeah? Yeah. So you're telling me we're gonna go out there?
We're gonna lunge to the car, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, bro, I'll see you on the other side, yeah? Alright, see ya. Oh, yo, what's good, bro?
Yo, what you saying, bro?
Oh, damn, bro.
Just lunged to the car real quick.
Teleported, bro.
Came back.
Yeah.
My legs are done, bro. It's Friday, bro.
I mean, yeah, there's a bicep curl right there, bro.
That's the only pose I can do, baby. That's all I know.
Damn, Dexter.
That's all I know, baby.
Damn it, bro.
I ain't got no other muscles.
Alright, what's next?
Arms, bro.
I mean, what's that then?
Huh?
What's that? You say you haven't got any other muscles, bro.
Bicep, bro.
Is that a bicep? What do you call that, bro?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm done, bro.
You're done, bro. You're still walking, bro. If you look in the hazards, you got the. You better watch out for the people, bro. Woo!
Oh my god, man.
No hands as well, bro.
Hey, oh.
Bro, what about pedestrians, bro?
Body a blessing.